Hi, and today we're making Easter slime. Today we're going to be making slime with these ingredients, these two, and we're going to put the slime in these eggs and give them to people as gifts. We're going to do a test batch of slime in here. We've got glow in the dark lids and we're going to take the whole thing into here. We're going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're mixing it up. We're going to make the slime more stretchy by adding water. We're going to add some glitter. Mixing time. Our secret ingredient is contact lens solution. We just added a bit of water because it wasn't really rinsed for me to really stretch this slime. Now I have to use my hands to mix this. I am not excited. This is really good. So we're going to put this one in an egg. Plop. It doesn't quite fill it up, so we're going to put some Easter eggs on top. Ooh. This is the finished product.